Hello and welcome to Digit. In this video, we are going to be unboxing the OnePlus Buds Z White Edition. Now, this is the front side of the packaging where you can see the OnePlus logo on the top left, the name of the product, and a very minimalist look overall. There's nothing on the right. On the left, you've got a couple of features being highlighted. First being that this has a bass boost feature. You get 20 hours of battery life, that is with the charging case counted. Then it is water and sweat resistant, or rather rated for that. It features a comfortable and cool design, and the connection should be seamless. On the back side, you've got the manufacturer's contact information as well as some of the contents. Let's go ahead and unbox the device. So inside the accessories case, you've got the charging cable as well as additional ear tips. The additional ear tips are usually in small and large size. The medium ones come pre-installed on the earbuds. You can see they're all white in color, which goes with the overall theme. Then there's the red and white OnePlus charging cable. This uses a USB Type-C interface on one end and a USB Type-A interface on the other. It's about 10 to 15 centimeters long. And there's a couple of documentation inside. First being a little welcome note that welcomes you to the Red Cable Club. There's a QR code on the backside, which you can scan to get started. Then there's the user guide. You should always read through the user guide to understand exactly how to operate the device properly. And lastly, you've got the safety and warranty booklet. Then we come to the OnePlus Buds Z. The charging case is all white. We've got a little indicator on the front, the USB interface at the back, and a reset switch right beside it. It's barely visible. On the bottom, you've got some regulatory information, and you can open it from the top. Both of the earbuds are all white, with a slightly darker tone on the back of the earbuds. And once you do pull this out, you can see that the indicator lights up. So that's it for the unboxing of the OnePlus Buds Z White Edition True Wireless Earbuds. Thank you for watching.